Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. If you're using Snapchat and you're having an issue to log in that your Snapchat login failed due to attempted, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and once you have to go back, open up your app store, or in Android you have to open your Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat. And once you have searched, you have to make sure that there is something update available, or if you have any update here, you must have to update your application. And once you have updated your app, you must have to simply open up your Snapchat app again, and here you have to tap on this forgot your password option, then select the way in which you want to reset your password. In my case, I'm going to select your email, or you can easily select your phone number which you want, and here you must have to enter your email account. And once you have entered, simply tap on this continue option, and here you have to wait for the confirmation code, enter your email, and once you have got, you just have to enter the code here. And in this way you can easily access your account without any failed attempts. So that's how. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.